Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Amazon Prime Video customer service in 2025. Whether you're having billing problems, streaming issues, or account questions, here's how you can reach them. So first, open the Prime Video app and log in. On the bottom right, tap My Stuff. That's your profile section. Then, in the top right corner, tap the little gear icon to open settings. Next, scroll down until you see Help and Feedback. Go ahead and tap that. This will bring up Amazon's customer service options. Now under Contact Us, you'll see a couple of choices. You can request a callback from an Amazon rep, or you can email them directly. Both options will use the phone number and email linked to your account. If you choose Call Me Now, you'll first pick the issue you're dealing with, like subscription, playback, or device setup. Then enter your country and phone number, and Amazon will call you back, usually within a few minutes. If you'd rather email, just tap Email Us. Your account email will be used automatically. Type in a quick description of your problem, like buffering or billing questions, and hit send. Amazon support will reply to your inbox. You can also do all of this from a web browser by visiting amazon.com/help, which includes troubleshooting articles as well as the contact options. And that's really it. To recap, go to My Stuff, then Settings, then Help and Feedback, and finally choose Call Me Now or Email Us. That's how you contact Prime Video customer service. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.